In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WPForms not sending email notifications. If your form entries are coming through but the email alerts are not, don't worry. This is a very common issue in WordPress, and in most cases it comes down to notification settings or email delivery configuration. We're going to walk through the exact places to check so you can get your form notifications working properly again. First, log into WordPress, go to WPForms, then All Forms, and click Edit on the form that isn't sending notifications. This opens the form builder, where all of your email notification settings are controlled. Starting here is important because each form can have its own separate notification setup. Once you're inside the form builder, look to the left-hand menu and open Settings, then Notifications. This is the section where WPForms decides whether to send an email, who receives it, and what email address it appears to come from. Next, make sure Enable Notifications is turned on. If this setting is disabled, the form can still collect submissions, but no email will be sent. This is one of the easiest things to miss, so it's always worth checking first. After that, confirm that the sent to email address is correct. If you want notifications to go to a specific inbox, make sure that exact address is entered here. Avoid relying only on a generic admin email setting if you want messages delivered somewhere custom, because that can sometimes point to the wrong inbox or create confusion during testing. Then check the From Email setting. This should use an email address connected to your website's domain, and it should be different from the Send to address. Using the same address for both can sometimes trigger spam filtering or cause delivery problems. A domain-based From Email also helps your messages look more legitimate to mail servers. If everything in the form settings looks correct and emails still aren't arriving, the next step is to install and activate the free WP Mail SMTP plugin. This is often the real fix. By default, many WordPress sites try to send email using the server's basic mail function, which is unreliable on a lot of hosting environments. SMTP improves deliverability by sending mail through a properly authenticated mail service. Finally, check your caching and spam settings. In some cases, aggressive caching can interfere with form behavior, and spam filters may be catching notifications before they ever reach your inbox. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder as part of this process. Once you've reviewed these settings, test your form again. In most cases, one of these adjustments will solve the issue and get your WPForms notifications sending normally.